XLOOKUP is the modern replacement for VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and most uses of index, match. It's simpler, more flexible, and fixes every weakness of VLOOKUP. If you have Microsoft 365 or Excel 2021 Plus, XLOOKUP should become your default lookup tool. The syntax equals XLOOKUP lookup, value lookup, array, return, array, if, not, found, match, mode, search, mode, lookup. Value what you're searching for. Lookup, array the column or row to search in. Return, array the column or row to return from. If, not, found what to display instead of number NA. Example, lookup adva, ftva, ftesat, gdva, gdesat. Searches for A2 in F2, F10, returns the matching value from G2, G10. No column index numbers, no false. For exact match, it's the default. Why XLOOKUP beats VLOOKUP? Looks left or right, the return column can be anywhere. Exact match is the default, no more silent wrong answers. Built-in error handling equals XLOOKUP A2, F, G, G, not found. Survives column, inserts no index numbers to break. Can return a whole row or column by selecting a multi-column return array. The optional match, mode argument, approximate and wildcard matches. The optional match, mode argument, 0 default exact match, -1 exact or next smaller, 1 exact or next larger, 2 wildcard match use times, and example, find the closest band for a sales figure. Gleich, X, lookup, B, 2, threshold range, tier range, -1, S. Two-way lookup. Combine two XLOOKUPs to look up a value by both row and column. Equals XLOOKUP region, region call, XLOOKUP month, month row, data grid. Try this. Build a customer lookup. Create a customer table in F2, H100 with ID, name, city. In a to type a customer ID. Equals XLOOKUP, a 2 F2, F100, G2, G100, unknown ID, returns the name, equals XLOOKUP, A2, F2, F100, H2, H100, unknown ID returns the city. Try an ID that doesn't exist. Confirm you see unknown ID instead of number NA.